TikTok, it's Ari from Arrow Wax Studio, back again with another underarm wax. Today I am using Sexy Smooth Wax and Purple Seduction again. I really love this wax, especially for underarms. It really just gets the job done. It makes the service super quick and easy for the client, and it does an amazing job. It spreads really satisfying, like if you feel it on yourself, it feels like butter, literally butter. The dry time is super quick, so you're not waiting around all day twiddling your thumbs. And look at that, yoink. Almost every single hair in one pull. Yes, please. And I want to take a second to give you guys a tip on what to do if you're in a situation like this and you're laying the wax and there's that little side breast area on your client. Some clients have it, some clients don't, but it's nothing to be afraid of, okay? We just move it out of the way. And when you move it out of the way, you move it with purpose, because slow and gentle is creepy, firm and with a purpose is professional. And that's all you have to do. You can have your client hold it themselves, but if you're a waxer that does both underarms at the same time, that's not always an option. So there I go, firm with the purpose, and yoink. Well, staggered yoink, but whatever. You get what I'm saying. So check them out. Their Purple Seduction Wax is 50% off right now. No code needed. Have a good day. Bye!